Jonathan Weinberg. Today I'm going to review a pen which I just got as a gift, and it was kind of a surprise. It is this pen, just the Kaweco, is it Kaweco I pronounce it? Special, and it really was a lovely present, and also kind of surprised in that it's not the kind of pen that I would have purchased myself, but then I discovered that I really like it. What you notice about it immediately is it is not a very thick pen. A lot of my pens that I have, like the Pilot pens, are cigar shaped, so I'm very partial to pens like this. So I would never probably have gotten a pen like this. This pen obviously is meant to emulate a pencil. Looks something like a pencil, the size of a pencil, feels like a pencil. And in a way it's good for an artist, because I think it's something that you're very comfortable with if you're used to using pencils. And so from that point of view, I think it's very good for drawing. Nice thing about it, unscrews, it's a metal fountain pen, is it posts very well because it actually screws on. And when it screws on, I find that it is really very comfortable, and it's not top heavy or anything. So I think that's very nice about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write with it briefly, but I'm going to do something different, which is that I am going to do a little watercolor, because the same person, it was my birthday, gave me flowers, and so what I did is I watercolored the flowers first, and then I'm outlining it with this pen. It is, right now it just has a cartridge in it. I don't have a converter, so it has the cartridge that comes with the pen, and it's black. And I will do a writing sample with it. Other things to say, it uses a kind of number 2 nib. It's exactly the same nib that comes in the Kaweco Sport. And I happen to have a Kaweco Sport that I got a while ago, basically because I love the color yellow. And it's not a pen that I really use very much. A lot of people swear by these guys. Anyway, it has the same nib, and the one thing about this pen, about the Special, was that it had an extra fine nib that I found a little bit scratchy, and the nib on this one was a fine, so I just switched the nib. So when I'm testing this out, I'm going to be using the fine nib on this. And maybe I'll show the difference between the two when I'm doing the writing sample. So I'm going to go do the writing sample right now. Alright, so I'm going to do the writing sample. It's black cartridge that came with the pen, and it's a fine nib, and it actually has a bit of a difference. If you press down, it's not, it's by no means a flex nib, but it's not a nail. I find that this is pretty smooth, a little scratchy. It's nice, it's nice feedback. Not too wet. It's not overly smooth. As I say, that's a bit of feedback. But I like it. And I really like the way it feels in the hand. As I say, it's, you know what it reminds me of a lot is the Apple Pencil in its sort of size. If you post it, of course I wasn't posting it, but if you look at it like this, and you compare it to the Apple Pencil, this together, they are very close in size. So there you go. Now just in terms of differences in terms of the extra fine nib, this is the extra fine nib. It's pretty dry, and I find it not as conducive to drawing, for me at least. Okay, so now we'll do the art part.